If you want to sound smart, confident, and fluent in English, then learn these 30 powerful words in just few minutes. Stay till the end, your English will instantly level up. Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel, where we make your English strong, fast, and impressive. Let's start, no time waste.
1. Vigilant, meaning, very alert and careful. Synonym, watchful. Antonym, careless. Example, the guard remained vigilant all night. Hindi, satark. Fire emoji. 2. Eloquent, meaning, speaks clearly and effectively. Synonym, fluent. Antonym, inarticulate. Example, she gave an eloquent speech. Hindi, vakpatu. Fire emoji. 3. Reluctant, meaning, not willing. Synonym, unwilling. Antonym, eager. Example, he was reluctant to join the team. Hindi, anichchuk. Fire emoji. 4. Meticulous, meaning, very careful about details. Synonym, precise. Antonym, careless. Example, she is meticulous in her work. Hindi, सूक्ष्मता से काम करने वाला. Fire emoji. 5. Resilient, meaning, able to recover quickly. Synonym, strong. Antonym, weak. Example, he is resilient after failures. Hindi, lachila, majboot. Fire emoji. 6. Ambiguous, meaning, unclear. Synonym, vague. Antonym, clear. Example, his answer was ambiguous. Hindi, aspasht. Fire emoji. 7. Benevolent, meaning, kind and generous. Synonym, kind-hearted. Antonym, cruel. Example, the king was benevolent to his people. Hindi, dayalu. Fire emoji. 8. Candid, meaning, honest and direct. Synonym, frank. Antonym, dishonest. Example, she gave a candid opinion. Hindi, spashtavadi. Fire emoji. 9. Diligent, meaning, hard-working. Synonym, industrious. Antonym, lazy. Example, he is a diligent student. Hindi, parishrami. Fire emoji. 10. Empathy, meaning, understanding others' feelings. Synonym, compassion. Antonym, indifference. Example, doctors must have empathy for patients. Hindi, sahanubhuti. Fire emoji. 11. Frugal, meaning, careful with money. Synonym, economical. Antonym, wasteful. Example, she lives a frugal life. Hindi, mitavyayi. Fire emoji. 12. Gregarious, meaning, loves socializing. Synonym, outgoing. Antonym, shy. Example, he is very gregarious. Hindi, milansar. Fire emoji. 13. Hypocrisy, meaning, fake behavior. Synonym, deceit. Antonym, honesty. Example, people hate hypocrisy. Hindi, kapat. Fire emoji. 14. Impeccable, meaning, perfect. Synonym, flawless. Antonym, imperfect. Example, his performance was impeccable. Hindi, trutihin. Fire emoji. 15. Jubilant, meaning, very happy. Synonym, joyful. Antonym, sad. Example, the team was jubilant after winning. Hindi, atyant prasann. Fire emoji. 16. Keen, meaning, eager. Synonym, enthusiastic. Antonym, uninterested. Example, she's keen to learn. Hindi, utsuk. Fire emoji. 17. Lethargic, meaning, lazy, low energy. Synonym, sluggish. Antonym, energetic. Example, he felt lethargic all day. Hindi, sust. Fire emoji. 18. Magnanimous, meaning, very generous. Synonym, noble. Antonym, selfish. Example, he was magnanimous to his rivals. Hindi, udar. Fire emoji. 19. Naive, meaning, innocent, inexperienced. Synonym, simple. Antonym, experienced. Example, he is naive about the world. Hindi, bhola. Fire emoji. 20. Optimistic, meaning, positive thinking. Synonym, hopeful. Antonym, pessimistic. Example, stay optimistic in tough times. Hindi, ashavadi. Fire emoji. 21. Persistent, meaning, never giving up. Synonym, determined. Antonym, quitting. Example, she's persistent in her goals. Hindi, drid. Fire emoji. 22. Pragmatic, meaning, practical. Synonym, realistic. Antonym, impractical. Example, he took a pragmatic decision. Hindi, vyavaharik. Fire emoji.
23. Rational, meaning, logical. Synonym, sensible. Antonym, irrational. Example, be rational while deciding. Hindi, hi tatka sangat enos. 24, skeptical. Meaning, doubtful. Synonym, suspicious. Antonym, trusting. Example, she is skeptical about the plan. Hindi, hi sandehapurva enos. 25, tenacious. Meaning, very determined. Synonym, persistent. Antonym, weak. Example, he is tenacious in studies. Hindi, hi dear, enos hi nishchayi enos. 26, versatile. Meaning, multi-talented. Synonym, adaptable. Antonym, limited. Example, she is a versatile performer. Hindi, hi bahumukhi enos. 27, witty. Meaning, funny and clever. Synonym, humorous. Antonym, dull. Example, he made a witty remark. Hindi, hi chatur enos. 28, zealous. Meaning, very enthusiastic. Synonym, passionate. Antonym, indifferent. Example, she is zealous about her work. Hindi, hi utsahi enos. 29, assertive. Meaning, confident and direct. Synonym, bold. Antonym, passive. Example, be assertive in meetings. Hindi. 30, calm. Meaning, peaceful. Synonym, relaxed. Antonym, angry. Example, stay calm in emergencies. Hindi, hi shat enos.
Forget to like the video, subscribe for daily vocabulary and share with your friends. Thank you.